All right, everybody, it is Monday, and I just wanted to let you guys know that you should come on in, do a little walk so you get a little peeksy peeks of what we got going on here. But yeah, again, we're at 88 East Morgan Street here in Spencer, Indiana, and our number is 812-829-2500. So feel free to call or show up, ask for me, and we'll let you drive one of these babies and hopefully send it home. So I guess I'll see you guys later. And don't forget to check out Marketplace. I'll be adding vehicles on there so you can get more details and see inside and out.